So this is the popular Iro and Buba you've been hearing about. I made this Iro and Buba and it's so beautiful that I have to share this video with you. Okay, so many people have been asking, make this style for me, make this style. So this is the video that shows how to cut and sew this particular Iro and Buba. You can use any fabric of your choice. I'm going to be showing you how to cut from start to finish. This is so beautiful. This is so elegant. If this is your first time of seeing this channel, this is Alina's Fashion. You're welcome to this channel. You can like, subscribe, and watch out for more tutorials on how to cut and sew anything fashionable. Let's get started and learn how to cut Iro and Buba. These are the measurements. You will need 2 yards, 18 inches for the Iro. Okay, so this is me taking the measurements. Okay, so after taking the measurements from your bust and your hip, you're going to look for the one that is the biggest among all. So this is how you take the sleeve measurement from this part down to wherever you want your sleeve to stop, either long or short. This way, this pattern of cutting will save your fabric. This is the secret that many people don't know about. Just fold it this way. Now I've folded it into 4. Okay, this pattern of cutting will save your fabric. I repeat. So when you fold it like this into 4, we are not slanting the shoulders. It will be like this. Okay, so just arrange it. This part will be the closed part, this part. Okay, so you start measuring from that side. You take the biggest measurement, either your hip or your bust. Okay, so I'm using the hip here. I'm taking the hip divided by 4 plus 2.5 inches. So I have 13. I'm marking 13 from the top to the full length. Okay, just mark 13 all the way down, 13 inches. From the top to the full length is 13 inches. So for the neckline, I'm going to be using 4 inches by 4.5 inches. Okay, so this is how it will be. Okay, so the width is 4 inches. Okay, this place is 4, then the deep is 4.5 inches. So just draw the line like this, and then you give it a good curve. You can use curve rule, or you can use your free hand. This is where you decide whether you want to give it that deep curve or you just want to give yourself a normal regular curve. Some people want to cut it so wide, so just give it however you want. So I'm curving it like this. Okay, so 4 inches by 4.5 inches. Okay, we're going to be cutting it out for now. Feel free to like and subscribe to our channel. We give you the basics and we also help you repair your sewing machine. So this is the full length. I'm cutting it out. Notch this shoulder part. Okay, then this is the full view of how it is. So we're going to be cutting the sleeve. We'll place it like this. Okay, the measurement here is 13 inches. So we're going to be folding this into 4. Fold this into 4 for the sleeve. Remember we took our measurements from the midpoint of your neck, the sleeve measurement. So this is how to do it. When you fold this into 4, you measure the width 13 inches. Okay, depending on how wide you want yours to be. So you position it like this. Okay, like you're positioning it to the buba. This is how it will be. Then you mark from the point, from this point all the way to this place, 30 inches here plus sewing allowance. Okay, so I have 30 inches here plus 2.5 inches sewing allowance. Okay, 2.5 inches sewing allowance. So I'm going to be cutting it from here all the way to this part. Then you notch the sleeve. You notch the four sleeves like this. If you are doing short sleeve, this is when you should mark your short sleeve. But since this is long sleeve, this is how it's going to be for this particular style. So I'm just going to be making sure that they are all aligned the same way, cutting it out now, and then I'll open this part. Okay, I'll trim this part and then I'll open the other part that is closed. Okay, so this is it. So we have our four sleeves here, as in two sleeves. Okay, we have the sleeves here there. So we are going to be cutting the facing for the buba. The remaining fabric, you fold it again into four like this. You fold it like this. Okay, you fold this side again. This is the closed side. It's like a mini buba that you're going to cut. So you place this already cut part, the neckline like so, and then we're going to be tracing it. Just make sure it aligns and then you can trace it out. Okay, so when you trace it out, you have drawn the neckline. So this is how it looks when you trace it out. Okay, so you're going to be marking 4 inches round this neckline. I hope you're following. So this is the facing for the buba. So marking 4 inches like so. Just mark it round. Okay, so you mark it round. You're welcome to Alinasfashion. Please leave your comments, like, subscribe, tell others about us. We are here to give you free sewing tips and how to repair your sewing machine. Next step is to take your facing and your main fabric, open up the main fabric and place the facing the right side. This is the right side. This is the wrong side. You place the right side facing the right side. So this is the right side. You're placing the right side and the right side of the facing or pin it. I'm going to be pinning it down. Place it properly. Make sure it aligns. Okay, so we're going to be pinning it down. After pinning, we'll sew it. After sewing, you notch it. After notching, you top stitch it. Then you turn it inside the fabric. So when you turn it inside the fabric, you have something like this. Then you this part that you notched, you're going to bring the sleeves, the two parts you notched, you're going to merge them together, right side to right side. After merging them together, you pin it down and then you see that your buba is gradually taking shape. So identify the right and the left sleeves. Then you pin it as such. Okay, so this is the left sleeve. So this is the right sleeve. You pin it right side to right side. You marry the right side or you make the right side kiss the right side. You pin it like this. Okay, so we are just pinning it now. For the euro is 2 years 18 inches. 2 years 18 inches. Okay, then you have your headgear. So this is it. We are pinning. After pinning, you make sure this place is well ironed. Then you have something like this. This is how it looks after you finish pinning it. So you take it to the sewing machine and sew. You sew starting from this side. The sleeve you fold the sleeve. First of all, this part you fold it in, okay, like 1.5 inches. Then you can leave 3 inches down here, or you just sew it up. You have something like this with your euro. Okay, so this is how it is. Beautiful, elegant, classic African fashion from Alina's Fashion. We give you the burst, we give you precise cutting and sewing. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. For the neckline, you put enough hemming gum, sew it very well, and hand stitch it so that it will stay firm. Okay, so you have something like this. You give it a good press, okay? So this is the long sleeve. If you want yours to be short, as in this other type that people do, you can make yours short as well. See you in the next video.